Hi everyone, I'm Lorie from Dee's. Thanks for joining me today. We are going to have a fun project. It's going to be so quick and easy. This black and white stacked pumpkin door hanger is so cute, and you could put it on your door, add it in a wreath, or just hang it by itself. So this is going to be so fun. We have a kit that's available for this, which would include your pumpkin hanger, this beautiful black and white check with the pumpkin and that little glittery accent on the ribbon, this cute black and white check plaid, I love that, and this adorable white with the black polka dot in the gingham edge. And you're also going to get these beautiful orange berries that just happen to be water resistant. So those are great for outside. If you're familiar, if you've got berries you've had on other things, and maybe over the years they started to crack and pop because they've been out in the weather. Well, these are not supposed to do that because they're great. They're water resistant. So we're going to get started. So get your wire cutters out. You know, it's always great to get you some good wire cutters if you're going to be doing these projects. You can just pick these up at the local hardware store or home improvement store, and they're really going to come in handy for you. So I'm going to go ahead and just trim my stem off a little bit with my wire cutters. And we're going to kind of open it up, bend this up. Next, we're going to take our ribbons. I'm going to start with this beautiful one with the pumpkins on it, and you're simply going to pinch it in the middle. Now the secret to a good bow is always in the pinching, because when you pinch it, it helps it to stay up and look a little bit fuller. So I just gather this up. Next, we're going to add our beautiful polka dot, and I'm just making a little tail up there, twisting, making our loop, twist, make our loop. Again, just kind of gathered it up. I have it all together right there in my hand where I'm going to put the wire. Next is going to be our plaid ribbon. We're going to put a little tail, and this time I'm only going to put one loop just to give it a little bit different look. So this is really cute. So we've got our cute bow made. It's all gathered up in our hand. We're going to take our cloth covered wire, which I've included in the kit, and just wrap that around and just twist it just like a braid tie. This cloth covered wire is so handy. I use it for everything. I have it in my house. It's great for bundling anything for your bows, for your florals, to make hangers on the backs of your wreaths. And it too is available in bundles and in different colors on our Shop Dee's Louisville site. So you might want to check it out, because once you start using it, you can't go without it. So we have our bow all ready, and we've got our stem. So I'm simply going to take my bow and just attach it right to my stem. So I usually take my wire and catch it in between these two stems so that the bow doesn't slide off, and it gives it a little resistance. And then you're just going to come up on your pumpkin, wrap it around the little stem of your pumpkin, and then I like to go back around the front to make sure it's nice and secure. Keep that on there tight. You could even put a little dot of hot glue if you wanted back there. And I'm going to trim off my excess wire. So we have our beautiful embellishment. Let me get the little hanger. And we're going to hook it right back up here on our board. Okay, so then the most important part of anything that you make is to go back and put those cute little V-cuts. Simply fold your ribbon in half with the wires touching, and you're going to cut that little triangle out. You want to make sure you cut all of your ends. And it's so nice with the wire ribbon because you can just kind of bend them and shape them and give it its own personality. We're going to trim these right here and trim this one. And then you can always go back and kind of roll it up if you want and then pull it, and you can have some cute little curls to your ribbon. So how cute is that? So check it out on Facebook and Instagram, and you can make a purchase of this kit if you like at shopdeeslouisville.com.